Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible power of artificial intelligence and the potential consequences it might have for our world? Well, today, we'll explore a world of mystery because Mo Gaudat, former Google X boss, is sounding the alarm like never before. He's warning us, we messed up badly. But what exactly did we mess up? And how bad is it? That's the question that's been haunting a lot of us, and I bet it's on your mind too. Are we about to release something really scary that we won't be able to stop? In this video, we'll uncover the spine-tingling details of these AI threats that's got everyone talking. We'll break down the warning, piece by piece, and ask the questions that need answers. Is AI a good thing? Or are we getting dangerously close to a digital disaster? So grab a seat and be ready as we explore the puzzle of this AI warning that has the potential to reshape our future. This is going to surprise you. Now we'll explore what Mo Gaudat is talking about. AI or artificial intelligence is not just about cool robots and helpful computer programs anymore. It's actually pretty scary. So Mo Gaudat's message is simple. We've created something powerful and we're not controlling it well. AI could be the most disruptive technology ever. Think of it like a tool that can do amazing things, but also has a dangerous side hiding in the background. But here's the scary part. Gaudat thinks AI is making us want bad things like being greedy, buying too much stuff, and even making weapons that can work on their own. Yes, you heard it right. Weapons that don't need a person to tell them what to do. Imagine how bad it could be if the wrong people get hold of them. Think about this situation. A race to build the most powerful AI that could lead to a big war is like science fiction story, but it's real. We're taking a big risk and we might regret it. Now here's the stuff of nightmares. Gaudat thinks that in the next 20 years, AI could be better than us at everything. Everything we do could be done better by machines. Can we live peacefully with something smarter than us? Or will we become useless? Another thing is that we don't really understand how AI works. The rules that AI follows are very complicated and mysterious. Trying to figure them out is like trying to understand a very old and hard to read book. It's almost impossible, and that's a big problem. Moving on, picture a world where AI is like a super detective, always watching us. It can look at lots of information from things like security cameras, social media, and even your money stuff. With all this information, AI can follow us, learn what we do, and maybe even guess what we'll do next. Now, AI watching us isn't all bad. It can help catch bad guys or stop really bad things from happening, which is good. But here's the strange part. AI could also be used to watch what we think about politics and religion and stop us from disagreeing. We've got to think carefully about whether AI watching us is a good idea. Have you ever felt like someone is trying to change your mind or what you do? Well, AI can actually do that. It can create messages just for you that you're all about what you like and don't like. These messages try to change what you believe and what you do. Think about it. AI can show you political ads that want you to vote a certain way or make you buy things you don't really need. Sometimes AI can even show you stuff that's not true to make people argue. So when you're online, be careful. Not everything you see is real. Now, here's something pretty unsettling. AI might make things even more unfair. It can make decisions for us, like who gets a job, a loan, or healthcare. But here's the thing. If AI isn't set up right, it might keep up all the unfairness going. Imagine AI picking job candidates unfairly, like some people more and not picking others because it learned from data that's already unfair. To make AI fair for everyone, we need to set it up so it doesn't play favorites. Next up, we'll explore different views about AI and it might leave you with some important things to consider. Dr. Browning, an optimist about it, believes that AI can make learning better and can get students ready for the future. Right now, AI is already being used in education to create special learning plans for each student and AI tutors that help you learn. This means AI could make school easier for you and help you succeed. It's pretty exciting, but there's a not good side to AI in education. It's not all happy and easy. AI could be used to make systems that watch what you do in school all the time. This could make you wonder about your privacy and freedom. What's more, AI might not always be fair. It could make some people get treated differently or unfairly because of their race or where they're from. Now, there's a whole bunch of important stuff to consider when we talk about AI and how it affects society. Let's shine a light on a few of these things. First off, AI could create new jobs and industries we haven't even thought of yet. But there's a catch. We need to make sure that everyone gets a fair shot at these new opportunities, not just a few lucky folks. Second, we're standing on the edge of a big questions about what's right and wrong. Making and using AI without clear rules can lead some pretty bad outcomes. It's like having a powerful but unpredictable tool in our hands. Now let's talk about the whole world. AI doesn't care about borders. It's everywhere, and that's a big challenge. We need countries to work together and make rules for AI that apply everywhere, like a set of global rules. And now, it's your turn. I'm asking each of you to learn more about AI and how it might affect our world. There's a lot of information online in your local library. You can also talk to people who know a lot about AI to get their thoughts. Godet's warning about AI is a reminder that we need to be careful and thoughtful about how we develop and deploy AI systems. AI has the potential to be a powerful force for good in the world, but it is important to ensure that it is used responsibly and ethically. It's something we should remember. AI can do a lot of great things, but we need to use it carefully and think about how we use it in school and other parts of our lives. AI can help us, but only if we make sure we use it the right way. Once you know more about AI, it's time to get involved in the conversation. Share your ideas on how we can make sure AI is used for good things. We need to talk about it together so we can create rules that protect everyone. The future of AI is something we all have to say in, and we need to approach it carefully, with understanding and by working together. What do you think we can do to make AI work well for everyone? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more interesting videos.